Hello and welcome, everyone! Today, we're sharing an easy and delicious recipe for making Sablé cookies with a soft and tender dough. These cookies are perfect for any occasion and are sure to impress everyone. We'll start with the ingredients for the dough: 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of soft butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. First, we'll mix the soft butter with the powdered sugar in a large bowl using an electric mixer until we get a creamy, smooth mixture. Then, we'll add the egg and vanilla extract and continue mixing until everything is well combined. Next, we'll gradually add the flour and pinch of salt, mixing until we have a smooth and cohesive dough. If the dough is too sticky, we can add a bit more flour. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for an hour. After the dough has rested, roll it out on a floured surface with a rolling pin until it's about ½ centimeter thick. Start cutting the dough with cookie cutters in various shapes like hearts, stars, and flowers. Arrange the pieces on a baking sheet lightly greased with butter or lined with parchment paper. Let the pieces rest in the refrigerator for 15 minutes before baking to help them hold their shapes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are lightly golden. Once they are done, let them cool completely before decorating. Now, we can decorate the Sablé cookies in different ways. You can dip them in melted chocolate and sprinkle some crushed pistachios or shredded coconut on top. Or you can sandwich 2 cookies together with jam or melted chocolate and dust them with powdered sugar. To keep the cookies fresh and maintain their shapes, store them in an airtight container lined with parchment paper. Place parchment paper between each layer of cookies to prevent them from sticking together. Finally, we hope you enjoyed this recipe and tried it at home. Don't forget to share your experiences and photos of your creations on social media. Thank you for your continued support and following along. We love you and wish you happy times filled with love and smiles. Always stay creative and unique in your kitchen, and we'll see you with new recipes soon, God willing.